Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to save a web page on your home screen with Chrome. So let's do that. You just open Chrome, open some web page, let's say Wikipedia, and now you press these three buttons in the top right corner. And one of the options is Add to Home Screen. So just click on that. It will create, let's say, an icon. Okay, something's going on. That never happened before. Okay, so let's go to Wikipedia. Add. You can choose add automatically. It will choose the spot by default, like the next one most probably, or you can just press and hold the icon and then move it wherever you want. So let's say in here. Okay, now let's remove this from the Chrome just to demonstrate. Click on Wikipedia and it opens the web page, and you can do it with any web page that you can access normally. You just can save it on your home screen so you can access it very quickly without typing it again to Chrome browser. Yeah, that's it.